Get ready to take your printed circuit board assembly PCBA surface mount technology SMT process skills to the next level. In this video, I will review some of the most valuable and effective tips and techniques for consistently producing high-quality products. We all know that surface mount technology can be a complex and challenging process, but with the right approach, you can achieve consistent results. With over 329 process control points, understanding key process controls in SMT is crucial. By the end of this video, you will master some key process controls in one of the SMT steps that will help you to achieve high quality component mounting, resulting in consistently excellent products. So, buck up and get ready to elevate your PCBA SMT process game. Let's take a dive into the world of PCBA SMT process and explore the areas that require utmost control to achieve consistently high quality products. Starting from incoming materials, we need to ensure that all electronic components, solder paste, printed circuit board, and other chemicals met the required standards. Then we move on to the crucial steps of paste printing and glue dispensing, followed by placing all the components accurately onto the board. Finally, the board will go through the reflow process to form a perfect solder joint. To ensure quality, all boards will be inspected manually or using AOI. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of the glue dispensing process and how it plays a significant role to ensure the quality of the final product. We shall start the glue dispensing process audit with checking the work instruction, where we need to ensure that if there is a revision control of the operator's work instruction and contains unique details for the specific products being built, such as the part number of the PCBA and also the bare board. And if the instruction is readily available to the operator, and they will need to follow at the glue print. Is the glue specified in the glue dispenser or print program or on the work instructions, the type of glue that is to be used? And if the glue manufacturer and also the part number or the specific identification number for the glue is defined in the glue dispense or print program or on the work instruction. For glue dispense, is the glue shape, quantity, and size are defined by the components type on the work instruction itself, means that the component has a unique shape and size, and also the glue that is dotted onto the board itself, the pattern itself, that should be a specification on how many dots or how many glue dots that should be dispensed on the board, the quantity, and also the size. Is it a large dot or a small dot? If you want to uncover more secrets about the PCBA and SMT process, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. By doing so, you won't miss any of my upcoming videos where I will review another process in PCBA which will enhance your skills in the printed circuit board assembly. And all the hand tools that's needed by the operator are listed with their description in the work instructions. That means operator are not supposed to use other hand tools other than those that are specified in the work instruction. And the use of the metal tools are also disallowed in the removal of the glue, and it's best that we use glue that is one-time use and not those glues that from container and put it onto the machine. Is the PWB or the bare board part number and revision are specified in the work instruction or the line setup instructions, and the bare board orientation to the stencil are also identified in the work instruction for the setup instruction for loading purposes. And if the machine program are specified onto the work instruction or line setup instruction, and is there a revision control of the operator's work instruction, which also define the rework or repair requirement for the glue PCBA, such as the tools, the parameters, the inspection methods. In glue handling section, we will need to verify if there is a standard operating procedure or work instruction for the cold storage of the glue, because most of the glue or epoxy glue that is used in the PCBA assembly needs cold storage to prevent the deterioration of the chemical properties of the glue. And if the cold storage temperature is within the manufacturer's recommended range, there is a FIFO control that is needed while in the cold storage. And same thing as soda paste, a gravity feed rack is preferred. And thus the cold storage unit has a temperature recorder and which can be read without opening the unit, means that we want to minimize the opening of the unit to prevent temperature fluctuation in the storage, and the temperature are recorded over time. And if there's a documented requirement to periodically check the recorded temperature and ensure that it is between the required storage limit as recommended by the glue manufacturer, there's an evidence shows that action been taken if the temperature was outside the defined storage limit. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Do you want to learn the secrets to achieving top quality products in SMT PCBA? Look no further than my expert course on process control and quality auditing for the PCBA SMT at Udemy. With my comprehensive course, you will gain invaluable insights into more than 320 control points from incoming materials, paste printing, glue dispensing, placement, reflow, inspection that are required to achieve consistently high quality results, particularly for advanced applications in electronics, automobile, and beyond. Enrolling in my Udemy course is the perfect way to take your skills and knowledge to the next level. You will receive a complete QPA checklist for mastering the PCBA SMT process audit and control, along with in-depth explanations that cover all aspects of QPA checklist. Plus, with this affordable online format, you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, making it easier than ever to invest in your future. Click on the link below or scan the QR code to enroll today. The cold storage of the glue expiration date is also monitored and specified on the glue container, that when there's this bottle of glue is expiring and the date and time of the glue that's removed from the cold storage needs to be written on the container. After that, when is the time that the glue are available for use? That means after it reach to the room temperature or the required temperature, we must monitor the time from the moment that is taken out from the cold storage to the actual time where the glue is equilibrated to the room temperature and available for use, and it must specify on the container. Best is there should be a label that capture all this requirement, and the operator only needs to fill in all the information accordingly. We also want to ensure that the glue is being tracked for its expiry time at the ambient temperature. When the steel is broken, same as soda paste, means that the glue will have a shorter effective life now after the seal has been broken, and ensure that it's tracked. And also the glue expiry time should also be tracked at the ambient temperature. When with the seal still in place, that we have not opened the glue yet, definitely the time will be longer compared to those that seal is already broken. And in 3.23, we want to check that if there is evidence to show that the informations regarding the glue date and time of each steps are captured properly and the process is fully understood by the user, and we will need to check the form or the labels on the container to ensure that they are properly filled in. We want to ensure that the operator wear gloves when handling glue, and also the specification is readily available regarding the glue itself. That means the glue manufacturer's specification must be available for reference, and the maximum time the glue is allowed to remain on the board needs prior to reflow also needs to be monitored, known, and follow. Ensure that the glue is still effective, and the glue lot number must be recorded fully and easily traced back to the individual product's serial number. And there should be a proper disposition to an empty air bubble before it's put into use. Next is we want to check on the dispenser, where we will need to verify if the dispenser's model, size, and part number are specified by the component types. It could be that different component size will require a different type of dispenser, and the documents has to put in the requirement of periodically cleaning the dispenser and ensure that there is evidence if this is being done. Is there a work instruction on the cleaning process of the dispenser, which also identify the chemicals, the wash times, the tools, and the consumables to be used? And if there is an evidence where the dispenser is inspected to ensure that it is in a good condition prior to use for mass production, and after washing prior to storage. I hope you have gained valuable insights into the critical process control measures required for achieving consistent high quality results in the SMT process. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with others who wants to enhance their skills and shape their future. If you are ready to take your printed circuit board assembly surface mount technology skills to the next level, enroll in my expert course on Udemy. You will gain access to a complete QPA checklist with an in-depth explanation covering you will gain access to a complete QPA checklist with in-depth explanation covering all the 329 control points or QPA questions. I look forward to seeing you in the course.